Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 46. Which of the following processes is not exhibited by atoms in order to attain more stable electron configuration? A. Gaining of electrons. B. Hybridization of orbitals. C. Losing electrons. D. Sharing electrons. So now we are looking at various processes that atoms go through in order to attain stable electronic configuration. So let's take a look at what each of the options entail. Now, option A, which is gaining of electrons, is seen in atoms of non-metals. Now, in atoms of non-metals, they lose electrons. They gain electrons rather. They gain electrons to attain stable duplet or octet state. The duplet state is usually seen in the K shell, and then the octet state is seen in the other LM shells. So the duplet state is attained when the maximum number of electrons is 2, and then octet is when the maximum number of electrons is 8. So atoms of nonmetals gain electrons to complete this configuration. Now, option B, which is hybridization of orbitals. Hybridization of orbitals is the combination of a given number of orbitals in an atom to produce the same number of new orbitals that are different in shape, and the purpose is that for them to be better disposed for chemical bonding. Now, option C, which is losing electrons, is seen in atoms of metals. Now, atoms of metals, they lose electrons, usually in chemical reactions, to gain stability. That is the same octet or duplet states that we saw in non-metals. Now, option D, which is sharing electrons, is seen in atoms that usually undergo covalent bonding. In covalent bonding, the atoms share electrons to attain stability. So what we are seeing is that option A, C, and D are done for the purpose of attaining stable configuration or attaining stability. But option B, which is hybridization of orbitals, is not done for the purpose of attaining electron configuration stability. It is done just to better dispose, or to make the atoms better disposed or in better shape and form for chemical bonding. So hybridization of orbitals is not done for the purpose of stability, but rather to improve the form of the atom for chemical bonding. So option B, hybridization of orbitals, is not a process exhibited by atoms for stable electronic configuration. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.